Let us see from 11th bit onwards, children. Here def DEAF is coded as 3587. Now file is coded as 7465. Now what is the code for ideal? Now when you observe here, I will be here. See 74. That means here 4 for I you will give 4. For D, from the first set you can take D as 3. From the first set you can take E as 5. So 4, 3, 5. A will be here 8 and L will be 6. So 4, 3, 5, 8, 6. Option B. 11th one is option B. Now coming to the 12th one, paint is written as, so PAINT. Paint is written as 74128. Excel is written as 93596. Now coming to accept, what will you give? Which number you can give for accept? Wherever A is there, if you observe the first set, you can take A4. From the second set, you can take C as 5. Again 5. E means you can take it as 9. And P means 7. And T means here 8. So 455978. Option 1. Now option A, 13th one. If glare is coded as 67810, monsoon is coded as 2395339, then how can ransom be coded? Now directly we can write here, children. R means from the glare, fourth letter is R. That means here fourth digit is 1. For R you can give 1. Now A, ransom, second letter is A. You can take A means 8. So 8. Now N means in this monsoon word, N third letter, what is the third number? Digit 9. So 189. Now S means fourth letter is S in the monsoon word. So 5 they have given. So 1895. After doing this one, once check whether any option is there for 1895. You have only one option that starts with 1895. So the option is C. Now coming to the 14th bit, if Delhi is coded as 73541 and Calcutta is coded as 825896662, how can Calicut be coded? Calicut means C is coded as 8. A is coded as C here. In the last one, A means 2. So I will give A as 2. Now L means here in the word Delhi, L is the third letter. So in the corresponding number also third digit is 5. 825. You have only one option. After doing half of the bit, you will understand what option will be suitable for the given bit. So here option C. If there are two options with 825, starting with 825, then you need to proceed this in order to find which option is correct. But as of now, 14th bit, C option is correct.